What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my curry chickpea salad. This is a really great replacement for those of you who used to love tuna salad or chicken salad, but this is a lot lighter because it's packed with plant-based protein and it's oil-free, because a lot of those salads usually have mayo as the base, which can be really heavy, and it's also packed with like saturated fat and cholesterol and all that stuff that's just not very good for you. So this is a lighter, healthier version with kind of a spin on the classic flavors to make it a little bit more interesting, and it's super versatile. So I hope you guys are excited about this recipe, but before we get started, I would really love to have you as a subscriber. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that button and tell your friends and family to do the same. And with all that said, let's get into the video. So for this, you're going to need 1 cup of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, and a 1/4 cup of diced celery, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts. I just take my pine nuts and I put them into a dry pan over medium-high heat, give them a shake for 20 or 30 seconds, and it really brings out the flavor and makes them nice and crunchy. Then I add in a few tablespoons of raisins, and then instead of using mayo, I'm going to use some vegan yogurt. You want to make sure that you get one that is plain and unsweetened, and this is really going to be a great way to kind of mix everything together without having to add oil. Next, I add the juice of half of a lime straight into the bowl. Then I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, and some salt and pepper to taste. I did about 10 grinds from my salt grinder and 10 from my pepper. Then I just mash this all together with a potato masher, but if you really want to save time, you can just put all of these ingredients into a food processor or blender, pulse it a few times, and it'll be perfectly ready to go that way as well. If you find that the mixture is a little bit dry, you can add another tablespoon of the yogurt and mix that together until it's the perfect consistency for you. And then I always recommend tasting everything, and if you want to add some more spices or some more salt, now's the time to do it. This mixture is really good on sandwiches, in wraps, on top of salads, or even just as a dip. If you have some crackers or some tortilla chips or veggies, it's a really great snack option. So I tend to make this in bulk so I can just throw it on top of a baked potato or throw it on a salad or eat as a snack, and it's just really handy. It's really durable, it holds up really well, and of course it's packed with plant-based protein, which makes me feel really good and energized through the day. But like I said, one of my favorite ways is to do a wrap. So the way I like to do it is to take a whole wheat tortilla, add the chickpea mixture, add some cucumbers and avocado. That flavor combo goes really well with this. And then I'll also do a bunch of greens. Here I'm using spinach and a bit of sriracha. Then I roll it all up and take it to work with me along with some salad. I usually put a little bit more of the chickpea mixture and some hummus on top of the salad, so I have a really hearty filling meal to get me through work. And this has been a go-to for me, so I hope you guys love it. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and tell your friends and family about this video and about my channel, because I really want people to know that they can eat healthy, that they can still eat really flavorful food, and it doesn't have to mean that they spend their whole lives in the kitchen or have really complicated, weird foods. Like, this is all really simple, good, wholesome food that makes you feel really good, and I want more people to eat like that because it's totally changed my life, and I think it would really make a difference in a lot of people's lives as well. So if you could help me spread that message, it would mean the absolute world to me. I love you guys, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!